There are some love stories that are not written in ink, but written in sacrifice, patience, and faith. This is one of those stories, the story of Imad and Zainab. They met in Punjab University back in 2011. Two students chasing dreams in the world of software engineering. What began as friendship slowly turned into love. A love so pure that even destiny bowed before it. Years passed, families met, and finally, their wedding date was fixed, August 10th, 2018. Everything was perfect, until, just 10 days before the wedding, life took a turn no one could imagine. Zainab started feeling unwell. After a few tests, came the news that shattered every heart. Zainab had blood cancer. Doctors said she had very little time left. Relatives whispered, cancel the wedding. But Imad, he stood tall. He didn't walk away. He said just one line that echoed in everyone's heart. If I ever marry, it will only be Zainab. And on that same date, August 10th, 2018, he fulfilled his promise. He married her, not out of pity, but out of love, courage, and faith in Allah. Then began a war for her life. Imad took Zainab to Shaukat Khanum Hospital, but when doctors said the cancer had spread too far, he didn't stop. He took her to China for advanced treatment, where every single day was a test of hope and heartbreak. Over 7 crore rupees were spent on treatment. His brothers sold their business abroad. His mother sold her gold. Zainab's family did the same. And people from all over Pakistan joined hands because they saw something divine in this love. Imad begged, struggled, prayed, but never gave up. And after months of pain and prayers, a miracle happened. Zainab survived. She defeated cancer. And today, by the grace of Allah, she is alive, still under treatment, but living proof that love can heal the impossible. Two things make this story unforgettable. First, Imad never left Zainab in her darkest time. He fought for her life. Second, he fulfilled his promise when it was hardest. He married her when she was fighting death. Such men are one in a million. In a world where people leave for small reasons, Imad became a symbol of what true love really means. So if you ever feel like giving up on someone you love, remember this story. Because sometimes, love isn't about how long you live together. It's about how far you go to save each other. Moral: true love isn't found. It's proven through sacrifice. May Allah bless Imad and Zainab, and may their story continue to inspire every heart that believes in love.